So I want to show you how you can format this. So if you have students that finish an activity and they're like, well, I don't know what I did wrong. Instead of you having to check all their answers, this will provide you with that instant, this is what's right, this is what's wrong. So we're going to look at this picture. And right now you'll notice that that first cell says 1 and it is green. So if I were to change that, it turns red. So that tells my students, hey, this is not right. So this is number 2. So I want this one to respond as well. So here, this is C13 that I want to answer, and I put it over here. So right now, sheet 2 looks blank. So I'm going to highlight it and change the text to black. So A2 has the answer as well. So what I'm going to do, I could put the formula right here, but if I put it right there, my kids tend to delete it. So I'm going to say custom formula equals $C $13 if it equals indirect. This is a special formula. Parentheses sheet 2 exclamation point. And then that was A2 on the other screen. So if it equals A2, then I want it to be green. If it does not equal A2, so I'm going to copy this. I'm going to say I'm done. Sometimes it does this. If it's not equal to, so same formula, or the quotes have to go at the end. This time I want to say that it's not equal to, so I delete the equal sign and I put the less than and greater than sign there beside the M on the keyboard. This time I want it to turn red. So now it should be a 2, but if it's not a 2, then like a 3, it turns red. You will notice the picture also responds. But the problem I'm running into is that if I don't format these, my students are just putting in all the answers and then they get to the end and they're like, well, I did it all. I don't know what I did wrong, because they're not watching your actual picture. So I suggest, it takes a little bit more time. I would suggest that you just go through and format these. You can also add that if it is blank, that it will turn a different color. So right now, blank is red. So what I could do is I could say equals $C $6 equals blank. So this is saying blank, and then I could pick whatever color I wanted for it to be blank. So hopefully this helps you and solve some of the problems of, well, I did it all and I don't know what I did wrong.